Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your trust wallet address, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Trust Wallet app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Trust Wallet app shown in the screen, where you can see there is a receipt option just down below of your balance, so which is at the right side of this send option. So let's tap on that receipt, and now you can see there is a lots of cryptos over here, so you can choose any of them from here. So let me choose BNB Smart Chain for now, so that I can show you a wallet address of the BNB Smart Chain. So you can see here is a QR code, and just down below of this QR code you can see your wallet address over here. So you can simply copy as well, and you can paste it in another wallet, and you can also set the amount by tapping on the set amount, and yeah, you can also share it as well by tapping on the share. And you can see there is a deposit from exchange option as well, so you can also tap on it and you will be able to see the Coinbase option or Binance in here. Yeah, so basically this is how you can find your trust wallet address. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.